The power of comparison. Every word we speak shapes how we see ourselves. Adjectives give us identity. Comparatives show our growth. This lesson is not just about grammar. It's about becoming more confident, more expressive, more you. Let's explore the difference between being strong and being stronger than before. Let's begin.
I am 21 years old.
I am 21 years old.
I am older than you.
I am older than you.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am smarter than before.
I am smarter than before.
I am very tall.
I am very tall.
I am taller than my brother.
I am taller than my brother.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
I am happier than yesterday.
I am happier than yesterday.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am stronger than you think.
I am stronger than you think.
I am busy now.
I am busy now.
I am busier than my friends.
I am busier than my friends.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungrier than you.
I am hungrier than you.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am more tired than my sister.
I am more tired than my sister.
I am fast.
I am fast.
I am faster than my cousin.
I am faster than my cousin.
I am careful.
I am careful.
I am more careful than him.
I am more careful than him.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am kinder than she is.
I am kinder than she is.
I am tall enough.
I am tall enough.
I am taller than the chair.
I am taller than the chair.
I am short.
I am short.
I am shorter than my father.
I am shorter than my father.
I am strong enough.
I am strong enough.
I am stronger than my classmates.
I am stronger than my classmates.
I am busy with work.
I am busy with work.
I am busier than last week.
I am busier than last week.
I am happy with my life.
I am happy with my life.
I am happier than before.
I am happier than before.
I am fast at running.
I am fast at running.
I am faster than my dog.
I am faster than my dog.
I am careful with money.
I am careful with money.
I am more careful than my friend.
I am more careful than my friend.
I am kind to everyone.
I am kind to everyone.
I am kinder than most people.
I am kinder than most people.
I am tall in my class.
I am tall in my class.
I am taller than my teacher.
I am taller than my teacher.
I am 18 years old.
I am 18 years old.
I am younger than my cousin.
I am younger than my cousin.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am busier than my students.
I am busier than my students.
I am very short.
I am very short.
I am shorter than my sister.
I am shorter than my sister.
Your words, your power. You've just unlocked the power of comparison. From strong to stronger, from smart to smarter, from quiet to more confident than ever. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. Keep growing, keep evolving, keep speaking with power. This is just the beginning. Follow English Evolution Step 1 for more lessons that help you become more you. Subscribe now and let your voice grow stronger every day.